Canon just leaked details so bold, the EOS R7 might finally have met its match. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 3 reasons this could destroy the R7 and 3 reasons it still might fall short. Let's dive in. The Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be a serious game changer with specifications that read like a wish list from professional photographers. We're talking about a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor that doesn't just incrementally improve on existing technology. It fundamentally shifts what's possible in this camera category. This resolution pushes the boundaries of what APS-C sensors can deliver, bringing detail levels that were previously reserved for much more expensive full-frame systems. Video capabilities are getting a complete overhaul with 8K recording at 30 frames per second that puts this camera in league with Hollywood-grade equipment, plus 4K at 120 frames per second for those buttery slow-motion sequences that make ordinary moments look cinematic. The autofocus system is reportedly receiving dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 with enhanced artificial intelligence tracking that promises to lock onto subjects with the tenacity of a heat-seeking missile, never letting go even in the most challenging shooting conditions. Canon is expected to unveil this powerhouse in late 2025 with a price tag hovering around $2,500, strategically positioning it as a premium APS-C option that could genuinely make full-frame users question their allegiances. That jump from 32 to 32.5 megapixels might sound minimal on paper, but it represents something far more significant. Canon's declaration that APS-C cameras deserve professional-grade capabilities. This resolution breakthrough gives you incredible cropping flexibility that transforms how you approach photography. Wildlife photographers shooting at distance can essentially turn their 400mm lens into a 600mm setup just by intelligently cropping in post-production, maintaining image quality that would make dedicated super telephoto lenses jealous. Portrait photographers finally get the fine detail needed for large prints that genuinely rival full-frame output, capturing everything from individual eyelashes to fabric textures with stunning clarity. The extra resolution also unlocks superior digital zoom capabilities for video work, allowing you to punch in during post-production without that dreaded pixelated look that screams amateur hour. This isn't just about numbers on a spec sheet, it's about creative freedom and the confidence to crop aggressively while knowing your image quality remains pristine. 20 frames per second burst shooting combined with the revolutionary dual-pixel CMOS autofocus. Two system creates a lethal combination that redefines what's possible in action photography. The artificial intelligence tracking isn't just clever marketing speak. It's a sophisticated system designed to recognize and follow subjects with precision that makes the R7's already impressive autofocus capabilities look primitive by comparison. Sports photographers will marvel at how this system can track a soccer player weaving through a crowd of defenders, maintaining focus lock even when multiple players cross the frame simultaneously. Wildlife shooters will appreciate how it sticks to birds in flight with unwavering determination, even when branches, leaves, or other birds momentarily obstruct the view. The system reportedly learns from each tracking session, becoming more intelligent and predictive over time. This isn't just about raw speed, it's about never missing the decisive moment that separates good photographs from legendary ones. The buffer capacity and processing power needed to handle 20 frames per second at this resolution represents a significant engineering achievement that positions the R9 as a serious tool for professional action photography. 8K at 30 and 4K at 120 fundamentally transforms this camera into a serious hybrid powerhouse that bridges the gap between photography and cinematography. Content creators finally get the resolution needed for future-proofing their work, while simultaneously gaining access to slow-motion capabilities that were previously reserved for cameras costing twice as much. The 8K footage can be downsampled to 4K for incredibly sharp results that maintain detail even when heavily graded in post-production, giving filmmakers the flexibility to crop, stabilize, and enhance their footage without quality degradation. That 120 frames per second 4K recording opens up an entire universe of creative possibilities for smooth slow-motion sequences that can transform ordinary moments into cinematic masterpieces. Wedding videographers can capture falling flower petals in stunning detail, while action sports filmmakers can slow down skateboard tricks to reveal the precise mechanics of each movement. The improved heat management and processing power required to handle these demanding video specifications represent a significant technological leap that positions the R9 as a legitimate single-camera solution for creators who absolutely refuse to compromise between stills and video quality. That $2,500 price tag puts the R9 in awkward territory, too expensive for casual enthusiasts, but not quite professional enough to justify the cost over full-frame alternatives. The rumored larger body size also goes against the portability advantage that draws many photographers to APS-C systems in the first place. When you factor in the cost of quality lenses to match this camera's capabilities, you're looking at a system cost that could buy you a full-frame setup with better low-light performance and shallower depth of field options. Canon's R-mount lens lineup for APS-C still has notable gaps compared to their full-frame offerings in the mature EFS system. Professional APS-C users need fast telephoto options, specialized macro lenses, and professional-grade wide-angle choices that simply don't exist yet in sufficient quantity. While the camera can use full-frame R-mount lenses, you lose the size and weight advantages that make APS-C appealing in the first place. This ecosystem gap means early adopters might find themselves compromising on lens choices or carrying heavier full-frame glass that defeats the purpose. 32.5 megapixels sounds impressive until you consider the real-world implications. Most photographers will never print large enough to benefit from this resolution, and the larger files create storage and processing challenges that many users aren't prepared for. The increased resolution also demands better technique. Camera shake that was invisible at lower resolutions becomes problematic, and lens quality requirements go up significantly. Unless you're specifically cropping heavily or making large prints, you might find that the R7's resolution is already more than sufficient for your needs. If the R9's rumored price and size have you questioning whether it's the right choice, consider the EOS R6 Mark II instead. This full-frame powerhouse offers 24 megapixels of resolution that's perfectly suited for most photographers, incredible low-light performance that surpasses any APS-C camera, and a mature lens ecosystem with options at every price point. The R6 Mark II delivers professional results without the resolution overkill, making it a smarter investment for photographers who want maximum versatility. Check the product tags below for links to this alternative. If you crave ultimate resolution, speed, and video power, the R9 could finally make the R7 obsolete. But if budget, weight, or lens needs hold you back, the R7, or our recommended alternative, still makes more sense.